more than 500 students from Kisii and other young students across the country had their results cancelled. This has happened in our country every year, and it's like we are not coming up to a solution that can end this tragedy. This one is costing a lot of parents, students, and teachers a lot of torture. I want to petition our members of parliament from Kisii and across the country to be brave enough, come up with a bill in parliament that can bring this menace to an immediate end. And this one can be done by us moving from the analog way of doing things, where exams are done, they are going to be marked for almost 3-4 months before they are released. Students can do exams on the computer and get the results within 1 or 2 days. If a student is cheating with the computer, it will be detected and that one will be dealt there and then. That is the only way I think we'll have a lasting solution to this menace. To the case now we have at hand, because a lot of young people are losing hope, I would like each and every person, especially our readers, not to go to bed until we know the truth, what really happened. And we are not supporting cheating in this case. If cheating really happened, we want to know for sure it happened, because the way it has been demarcated, it is clear that there is a political arrangement on how these schools which have been given wise have been chosen. So I would like to ask our readers to come up and make sure that they give answers to the citizens who have elected them to represent them, so that we can know the answers. Thank you.